Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Instagram. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on it. Now tap on Switch Account Type option and then select Switch to Personal Account. And if you are sure, tap on Switch to Personal Account once again. And this is how you can turn off professional mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.